Welcome everybody guys. Children always have a fantasy that whatever food they want should come in their hands, then it should fall from the sky or their family members should bring it. But whatever they say should come in front of those children, then how would it be that if an invention is made in such a way that if you put any name in the machine, the food of that thing falls in the sky like rain, but that food increases so much someday that there is no food left for anyone to eat, rather it falls like monsters and even takes someone's life. So without waiting, today we all move towards such a fantasy movie where food is going to rain from the sky. In the beginning of the movie, we see a small boy whose name was Flint. He was a very smart and intelligent boy since childhood. He always wanted to help people and make new inventions, but now the child was small and there was always a mess in things. Due to this, things were not a bit perfect. He made his first invention. He sees that any child in the class in which he is in, Flint never ties his shoelaces. All the children always keep falling. That is why the invention he made was the invention of shoes. All the children are very happy to see that spray and think that today's trouble is over. But then one of the children asks that, well then how will we open these shoes, and after which all the children together start laughing at Flint. Flint himself thinks that why did this question not come to his mind? He wore the shoes, made them but could never open them. Flint reaches his home crying, and after reaching home, he tries very hard to take off those shoes, but still those shoes were not ready to take off. His parents were also getting worried and were thinking of new ideas. On top of that, they were also a little worried about Flint's antics, but then his mother comes and does not scold Flint at all. Rather says that you are the new scientist to come. Flint says that no mom, you are just keeping me happy. So Flint's mom says that a genius does not become a genius just like that. A scientist does not become a scientist until he faces a failure. After this, Flint becomes very happy and also gets motivated. Soon he starts making new inventions like flying car, translation monkey, TV that can walk, a body that can grow hair, but all the innovations he was doing were failures. Flint had grown up and was not accepting defeat at all and had decided that he would definitely do something for his city. We come to know that the condition of the city in which Flint lives is very bad because there is nothing left to eat in this city. The whole city is alive only by eating fishes, who can eat fishes all the time. Flint had thought that now he will make a new thing for people to eat, a machine through water with which whatever thing he wants can be made. Finally, Flint had made such a machine, in which he had put all the data, and after filling the order he wrote almost 80-90. By then the machine had started working. It seemed that it was about to come to Flint's hand. But again there was some problem and that machine started moving around the city like a rocket. The power of the whole city also went off. Flint's dad got angry that what is going on with you? Flint's dad says that turn off this thing as soon as possible and help me. Flint has to go inside his dad's shop even though he doesn't want to. He also works the whole day. His dad leaves him here and goes away. Flint's dad had to go inside a park ceremony because today a new park was going to open in his city. There was also a mayor in this city who was going to inaugurate it. There was also a reporter in this city whose name was Sam. She was covering all this. Here we see that Flint still did not listen to his father after the power of the city went off. He did not stop even then. He wanted to take his machine to the main power station where the police officer also tried hard to stop him, but Flint dodged him and escaped from there. Flint had given power energy inside his machine and a lot of energy started circulating inside it. In this process a very big blast happened. By mistake Flint also caught hold of this machine. After that this machine became a rocket and started moving here and there in the whole city and in the park in which many people had come and the inauguration of the park had taken place. Everything got destroyed. In fact the big glass ball also started moving here and there. It was almost about to kill people. Now wherever people had come to capture the inauguration of this park, all those people were now capturing Flint's actions and showing it live. People were already upset with Flint and now after this act, everyone started shouting at him. Even his father does not support him nor does he support him. They save lives and leave Flint alone in this place in a disturbed state. Flint had left from there in a disturbed state to sit near the water. Flint himself was very disturbed by his act. His pet monkey was also with him, who used to be with him all the time. At the same time, we see Sam as well. She also comes here. She did not know that Flint was already there, and Sam starts shouting here. We come to know that Sam has been given a job which he was not supposed to do. He had to become an anchor for the weather for the Post, but by mistake, he is sent to capture different news of the city. When both of them see each other, they are very shocked as to what are they doing here. Then Sam's eyes fall on the shoes made by Flint, which were looking very shiny and completely different. For the first time, someone had praised Flint's shoes. Flint had gone completely in the air and was very happy, and somewhere Sam was also impressed by the things made by Flint. The burger menu which was made by Admiral Flint went into the sky, and then food started raining from there. She had put a burger menu inside the food, and within no time, a lot of burgers started raining over the entire city. Everyone was shocked to see how this could happen. It was clear that the experiment done by Flint was successful. Sam quickly covers this news and shows it in the news. Flint's experiment worked, and now all the people who were angry started getting happy. With this feat of Flint, all the people say that please, if you can do this thing, then you can make other things also. Please do it with such things for us. And now Sam makes a special request to him that can you take me with you to the lab? I want to see your lab. Here Flint happily comes to his dad, but it is revealed that his dad is already angry. He feels that Flint's experiment was successful just like that. There was no miracle behind it. Flint explains him a lot, but Flint's father does not let Flint do any experiment. Now Flint's dad had agreed. Flint takes Sam inside his lab and tells him the whole system, that how it works, how his machine works, how codes have to be entered inside it. The most special thing about it is that all these things are done just by water, and after that he asks Sam if he wants to have breakfast. When Sam says yes, Flint puts breakfast items inside her. Pancakes and omelets start falling all over the city. The mayor had gone mad after eating food, and now he started giving Sam a personal treat by telling him to come and talk to him personally. According to him, a lot of good things are happening in the city. Flint has done all this, and if he keeps doing such things, it will be good for the city, and it will also make the city attractive, and people will come from outside to see all these things. Flint also always wanted to do these things somewhere or the other. That is why he agrees to all these things of the mayor and easily gets new food items served 2-3 times a day. Now everyone had different wishes, and Flint was fulfilling all their wishes. Whoever wanted to eat, they were getting all those things, but after so much food was falling in the city, things got a little messed up. So Flint made another machine which he used to collect the fallen food and throw it outside the city. Sometimes it would rain candies on the small children, and sometimes it would rain different things for the elders. Everyone was very happy with this thing of Flint. Even posters of his name were being printed. One day a police officer comes to Flint and requests that tomorrow is his son's birthday and he should do something to make it special. Flint says that you don't worry, tomorrow will be a very good day. Flint works on a very good idea. Today he had kept the theme of ice cream. The whole city was changed into an ice globe. There was ice cream everywhere in the whole city. It was looking very beautiful. When the officer's son also wakes up in the morning and looks, he sees ice cream everywhere. He enjoys very well with his father. Flynn should have been happy to see these things, but Flynn was a little sad at heart because he had a fight with his own dad. Then Sam comes here and starts talking to Flint. She was very impressed with all these works of Flint. She even asks Flint to play with her, after which he joins Sam. Both of them also play a lot inside the ice cream. Sam calls this day as Ice Cream Day and its news is telecast everywhere. She welcomes all the people. Wherever this news was going on, people in every corner of the world were watching it and praising how lovely and unique this place is. Both of them think that maybe they should go out somewhere to spend time. Flint had already planned a surprise for her, which was a jelly house because Sam liked jelly very much and Sam becomes extremely happy after coming inside such a big jelly. Now it will not fall after this, but this was just the beginning. Sam directly checks the weather forecast and she comes to know that now things are going to get worse and everyone will have to save their lives. Earlier, the rain used to fall only on this city and now it will start falling on different places other than this city. Flint was not even able to understand how he will stop these things. Due to this, he leaves this whole place and sits inside a dustbin, but then his father comes and instead of motivating him, he returns the money that Flint had thrown and just goes from there. Somewhere Flint remembers his mother's words that if anyone can stop these bad things, then it is only Flint, and now Flint gets ready again. To stop all these things, he had made a new plan, had collected all the machines again, went out with a completely new plan and prepared a new machine, sat inside a flying car and took Sam and his father along with him. Before going into the sky, a bigger storm had started. Huge pieces of food were falling down. Poor people were saving their lives. As these three start going up to control the machine above, food monsters had now formed. There were huge chicken monsters and all these food monsters started blocking the way of these three. These three keep running ahead without giving up. Sam controls it with noodles, but the machine does not come under control. After this, Flint had that spray which he had made in his childhood. Like he had made shoes which had not been taken off till date. With the same spray, he covers this entire machine so that now the machine stops, and even if it blasts, the people of the world do not have any problem. Sam and his father had left. In the end, only Flint was left. Flint started falling down. After such a big blast, all the people are shocked that how did all this happen? Things were fine before. Now that big machine has been removed from the sky. The sky had also become completely clear, but everyone feels that maybe Flint has been killed in this accident. While everyone was feeling sad, suddenly a rod comes flying from the sky and brings Flint with it. Such unique rods were also made by Flint himself. Now when everything was fine, Flint's dad is proud of Flint that if he has spoiled things, then it is he who has made it right, and he also forgives him. Everyone was very happy to meet each other. Flint also proposed to Sam. Here on one hand the city was celebrating that everything was fine, but in the end of the movie, we are shown that the mayor, who is extremely obese, is floating in the water and also says that his decision was probably wrong and he should not have done this. With this amazing movie ends here. So, do tell me how you all liked this movie. So, let's meet again. Bye everyone till next time.